This channel documents one thing: putting 100,000 Naira into Nigerian funds every single month from abroad. Not a simulation, not a plan. It is already happening. And the first question everyone asks is the same one: which fund? How? Why that one? This video answers that. Today we are breaking down the GT Equity Income Fund, what it is, what it actually invests in, how to get into it from outside Nigeria, and the things nobody tells you up front. I am not a financial advisor. I am Nigerian, documenting my own research into investing back home. Nothing here is investment advice. It is education shared openly. All right? Let us start with the obvious question. Why a mutual fund at all? Why not just buy stocks directly? If you japate and you are new to investing in Nigeria, starting with a mutual fund makes more sense than starting with individual stocks. And here is why. When you buy individual stocks on the NGX, you are making a call on specific companies: MTN Nigeria, Dangote Cement, GTBank. To do that well, you need to follow those companies, understand their earnings, track what is happening in their sectors. That takes time and knowledge most of us do not have yet. A mutual fund pools your money with thousands of other investors. A professional fund manager decides where to put it, which stocks, which bonds, when to buy and sell. You get exposure to the market without having to manage the portfolio yourself. For someone starting out, investing from abroad, learning the system, building the habit, a mutual fund is a lower friction entry point. That is why the channel started here. So what exactly is the GT Equity Income Fund? It is a mutual fund managed by Guarantee Trust Fund Managers. That is the investment arm of the GTBank Group, formerly known as GTCO. The fund is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission of Nigeria, which means it is regulated and audited. What does it invest in? Dividend-paying equities listed on the Nigerian exchange. The fund targets what they call dividend nights, established companies that have a track record of paying dividends consistently. Think of companies with investment-grade ratings, strong cash flows, the kind of businesses that keep paying out even when the market is turbulent. The fund also holds some fixed income securities, bonds, and similar instruments approved by the SEC, which provides a cushion alongside the equity exposure. The goal of the fund is two things at once: regular income from dividends and long-term capital appreciation. You get both the yield and the growth. Now, here is one of the most important numbers in this video. The minimum initial investment in the GT Equity Income Fund is 5,000 Naira. 5,000 Naira. That is roughly 3 to 4 Canadian dollars at current exchange rates. It is not a gatekeeping product for wealthy investors. It is designed to be accessible. You can start small and add monthly, which is exactly what this channel is doing. The fund has also shown strong performance in recent years. Independent financial publications have cited returns around 40% in Naira terms, in line with the broader NGX gains we covered in the previous video. Past performance does not guarantee future returns, but that context matters. Now, how do you actually access these as a diaspora investor? There are two parts. Part one, GTBank has a dedicated NRN service that stands for non-resident Nigerian. This is specifically built for Nigerians living abroad who want to bank and invest back home. Through the NRN service, you can open a Nigerian account, fund it from abroad, and access their investment products, including the GT Equity Income Fund. The documents you will need are a reference letter from your current bank, identification, employment letter, pay slip, or foreign bank statement, your BVN, a recent passport photo, a notarized foreign utility bill or bank statement from the last 3 months, a notarized foreign ID, your NIN or VNIN, and the completed GTBank account opening forms. It sounds like a lot. It is a bit of a process, but it is doable entirely online. Once your NRN account is set up, you fund it via wire transfer from your foreign account. The money converts to Naira at the current exchange rate. And from there, you invest through the GT Fund Managers platform at gtfundmanagers.com. Part 2, and this is worth knowing. GTBank also offers a dollar fund. The GT Dollar Fund invests in Eurobonds and dollar-denominated money market instruments. The minimum is $500 US. The minimum holding period is 180 days. Why does this matter for Diaspora? Because the dollar fund sidesteps the Naira conversion problem almost entirely. If you earn in dollars or pounds or Canadian dollars, you can invest in a dollar-denominated product registered in Nigeria, get Nigerian market exposure through dollar-linked instruments, and avoid the direct Naira fluctuation risk on your principal. This is not zero risk. Eurobonds carry their own risk. But for someone who has heard about the Naira and is still not ready to fully convert foreign currency, the dollar fund is an option worth knowing about. Now, the honest part, there are risks in all of this. First, Naira risk. The equity fund is Naira denominated. If the Naira weakens significantly against your home currency while you are invested, your real returns in dollar or pound terms will be lower than the Naira return figure. We covered this in the first video and it applies here too. Second, management fees. Mutual funds charge management fees. These come out of the fund's returns before you see them. You should check the current fee structure on the GT Fund Manager's website before investing. Fees reduce your net return. Third, no guarantee. The fund manager makes decisions. Those decisions can be wrong. Markets go through down periods. There have been years where Nigerian equity funds lost value. 2016 was one. The COVID period was rough. Investing in any equity fund means accepting that possibility. I am not raising these to scare you off. I am raising them because this channel's commitment is honest documentation. If you know the risks and still decide this is for you, that is a considered decision. If you do not know the risks, you are not deciding, you are just hoping. So where does this leave us? The GT Equity Income Fund is a SEC-regulated, professionally managed mutual fund that invests in dividend-paying Nigerian equities. Minimum 5,000 Naira. Available to Diaspora through the GTBank NRN service. Part of the GTCO group, which posted over 1 trillion Naira profit in 2024. For a Diaspora investor who wants Nigerian market exposure without managing individual stocks, it is one of the more accessible entry points that exist today. Is it right for everyone? No. It is a Naira-denominated equity fund with real currency risk. But for building a monthly habit of investing back home, 100,000 Naira at a time, it is where this channel started. And if you're watching this, thinking about whether it makes sense for you, do your own research, read the fund's fact sheet on gtfundmanagers.com and speak to someone qualified about your specific situation. If this video helped you understand what these funds actually are, hit the like button. It helps more Nigerians abroad find this. Subscribe. If you are building back home from abroad, this channel is for you. I post every week. Next video, we go deeper into how mutual funds work across the board in Nigeria, what the different types are, how fees work, and how to read a fund fact sheet before you put your money anywhere. I will see you there.